And we're back with the newest walkthrough of how you can use the Growth Hub on a daily basis. Today, we're going to take a look at how you can view all articles that have either been published or are currently in progress for your site. So the first thing we're going to do is, after logging into the dashboard, we're going to click on the specific project that you want to reference. From here, we're going to go over to this Articles tab, where we'll be able to see a breakdown of all of the articles that are either in progress or have already been published on your site. We can filter those articles to see either all articles in one view, filter down to only see the articles that are pending your feedback, articles that our team is currently revising, articles that are approved and ready for publishing, or articles that have gone live on your site. So starting out, if we click in each of these articles, we'll get a drop-down where we can click to access the article in Google Docs. At any time, you can always share feedback directly in the Google Doc if preferred. However, for those that want a slightly quicker approach, that maybe have a little bit less feedback to provide, you can also provide a simple comment directly in here and either request a revision based on that comment, or mark the article as approved and ready for the next stage. When ready and when approved, our team will receive real-time notifications upon each new approval so that we can take the article to the next stage of the process, whether it be kicking off the full writing phase or getting ready for publishing. Now, similarly, we'll periodically send you email notifications when articles are ready for your approval. You'll receive an email whenever either an outline is ready for your feedback, when the final draft of an article is ready for your final approval, as well as notifications when each of these new articles is published on your website.